Glad to meet you all guys. I am Balamundan, the CEO of Creators Generation channel. Today in this video session, I am going to show you the unboxing a brand new Realme 6 Pro handset. This is of 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It costs rupees 21,999. It is manufactured by Oppo and sold by Realme. Let's start unboxing. The box contained the handset, a protective case, pre-installed screen protector, SIM ejector pin, OAK charging adapter which support 30-watt charger, a C-type OAK charging cable, some guidelines. The processor Snapdragon 720G helps to get a smooth experience. This helps to play games in an undefined manner. The handset has a front dual camera of Sony 16 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The rear camera contains 64 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel telephoto camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP macro lens. The lightning effect given at the back of the handset was amazing and looked so cool. The Dolby Atmos and high resolution audio provided is fantabulous. The fingerprint sensor is mounted at the side on the power button and the volume button at the opposite side. It has IPS LCD display and display with 90Hz ultra smooth refresh rate. The display works too smooth and faster. As the processor was Snapdragon 720G, it gives amazing gaming performance. Now let's check the camera features. Starting with the 12MP camera, we will be able to see the difference between the normally what we see and in the camera. Yeah, the camera shows a brighter picture than what we see. The pictures are brighter and detailed. Ultra-wide lens was amazing too. The ultra-wide camera is much wider than the normal. According to zoom, we can get up to 20x zoom. The camera has a beautification mode. When we come to 64MP camera, it gives much detail than the 12MP camera. It was amazing too. Next, the macro lens. The ultra macro lens helps us to get a detailed picturization of the small and micro objects. This helps us to get a best picture of a small flowers and etc. Here I show you a micro art which I made before. See how the object is detailed in the picture. Getting amazing micro object picture with better details. That's all about camera for now. According to fingerprint sensor, it was rapidly faster. Meet you soon in the next video guys.